This look is fire. I feel like I'm dumb late to it. Unfortunately, I got my bonnet on. Clearly, I just woke up, but the face is still giving regardless. We're gonna definitely start off with using the Juvia's Place eyeshadow. I'm gonna switch it up using Made by Mitchell Color Case. And this one's like the pastel colors, and I absolutely love this. And yes, I actually do love that palette. But before I get to do that, I have to make sure that I moisturize my face. And then going over with a primer that mattifies and make sure that it stays for a long period of time. So for this look, obviously, I was trying to like bleach my brows, but you know, pretend like it didn't exist. But in actuality, you can still see it. And I'm not really sure what I did wrong. So if you have any ideas, please let me know. I just assumed that I just didn't bleach my brows. So I have this tape here to help me make sure that my lines are correct. And I really want to make sure that I accentuate the inner and the outer part of my eye as the base so that when I do apply the Made by Mitchell, it doesn't look so weird. So I decided to use a dewy foundation, and this is one of the newest foundation by Makeup Forever. And just so you know, this one is not full coverage, so if you do have hyperpigmentation, it will show up, because clearly you can look at my face, you can still see it. But the skin looks good though. If you do have dry skin, this would be the perfect foundation for you because it really does hydrate your face. And I'm usually mostly concentrating on using cream products, as you can see, and I like to make sure that it doesn't cling on to any dry patches if I do have some. My favorite part is setting my face, especially using this new powder by Huda Beauty. When I use it, it just makes my face look more snatched than ever before. And don't forget about her new mascara too, because you just need one coat and she's actually serious. Besides Fenty, this one's my second favorite mascara. And you know what I forgot about this brand? Remember this brand from last year? It like came out and disappeared like super fast, but it's such a cute pink lipstick that goes with this look, especially when I add on a black liner. So tell me, what do you guys think?